Buddy, she doesn't look like her father.
Hey, you're going to create some confusion in their family.
Her father looked like rowdy, you know.
So, you got fear, right? So, what's your problem now?
Only if I go for a job, he'll give his daughter.
Is he playing or what? He's asking you to go for a job. We don't want that girl, okay, buddy? What? You're keeping so silent?
No, I've decided to go for a job.
I believe it's a sincere love. Then do one thing. My colleague has told there is a vacancy. You just go and attend the interview. Is that okay for you?
Thanks, dude.
Who's Satya here?
It's me.
You've been called inside.
Good morning, sir.
Shall I ask questions?
Sure, sir.
When you walked into the interview room, how many people were waiting outside?
You mean outside?
Yes, outside, not inside.
Sir,
You don't know.
No, sir.
I know very well that you don't know. I cannot employ people who do not have general knowledge.
General knowledge.
You are rejected.
Sir, please ask me one question, sir. I will answer, sir.
I don't have time for all that, Lee.
Sir, please, sir. I need this job very urgent, sir.
Security.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, please,
Drag him and leave.
Sir, I will work
come
very
on.
sincerely, sir.
Come on.
Sir, you can believe me,
Who
sir. Sir, I'm a
needs
good
your
worker,
sincerity?
sir.
Stop.
Sir,
Come on.
please, sir,
Hey,
please.
If I give you life, I will lose my life.
Sir,
Sir,
please
sir,
come
just
out.
give me a job,
Sir.
sir. I don't require any salary.
You don't
Sir,
want
please,
salary.
Sir, if you give me a job, I will give you money, sir.
Huh? You pay? Hey, you leave.
Sir,
I'm not talking to you. Security, you leave me here and get out.
do you understand? Just leave me.
Is he a gay or what?
Dear young man, I don't understand what you say.
I'll tell you in detail, sir. My name is Satya, sir.
I am not bothered about that. You said you will pay me some money. First talk about that.
Actually, I am loving a rich girl.
Okay.
She also loves me sincerely.
Right.
But her father, he's a very big businessman. He's got approximately 50 crores worth property.
Sir, what are you talking? 50 crores?
Just in white alone, sir.
White money?
But what to do, sir? In all love story, there will be a villain. In my life also, there is a villain.
Who is your villain?
Her father, sir.
All fathers have become villains nowadays. What did he do?
He'll give his daughter if I only go for a job.
Nonsense. It is a very bad habit.
You are correct. And one more thing, sir. Do you have any daughter?
Eh? No.
Then okay, sir. If you give me this job, I will marry her, sir. And I'll get the 50 crores property also. I'll give you 10% commission, sir.
10? Wait. Sir, 10% is 5 crores, sir. Think about it twice.
Sir, when I'm getting 50 crores, I can give you 5 crores, sir.
That is all right. When you get 50 crores free, 5 crores is not a big deal.
Sir, if you just ask me one question...
Why? Why should I question? You are already appointed. Give me a hand.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Hello?
Satya?
I'm in a meeting. I'll call you later.
Satya,
What, sir? Your lover?
Yes, sir.
Why didn't you talk?
As for girl, we should tell them we are busy. Otherwise, they won't respect, sir.
You're right. We should maintain status. Let's
Exactly.
go.
Right, sir.
I don't have to explain about the export business. Lot of people started business when we started. But how many did survive? Not even 50% people are surviving.
Hey, I'm in a meeting
Why
with
this
boss.
situation?
I'll call you later.
we didn't meet for a long time.
Because
What?
they
You
did
give
not
me
manage
pressure,
the
go for the
business
job
well.
continuously.
They did not
Okay,
go
I'm in a
with the
meeting. I'll
business
call you
ethics.
later, okay? Sir, give me urgently 50,000 rupees.
It is not in our agreement.
Sir, if you give me money, I can make her believe that I'm going for a job. So only...
Stop. I will tell you your story. Only if you take home your salary, only then your lover will introduce her father to you. Only after that you can correct him. After you correct him, only then you will get 50 crores. If you get 50 crores, only then you will be paying me 5 crores.
Stupid fellow.
This is what you wanted to tell
Sir,
me.
you're very brilliant, sir.
Only after your friendship I have become brilliant. Just wait. 50,000. Be careful. Your first investment. Don't miss.
This is my first month salary, 50,000.
50,000?
Yeah. Now can I meet your father, baby?
Sure, da. Tomorrow we'll meet.
Hey, change your leg, man. You're coming house for the first time. Come into the house with the right leg in.
Standing with gun.
Oh, you're scared seeing the gun.
Yes.
There's nothing, dude. There is a technical problem with this. That's why. I'm rectifying that. Dude, don't think this to be an ordinary gun. We have been maintaining this gun for generations in our family. Come up, dude. Hey, come on up, man.
Ah,
Come on, walk up, man. Come on. My daughter told me you joined a new job. I'm very happy for that. Sit down,
thank you,
dude.
sir. It's okay, sir.
Keep respect in your heart. That's enough for me. Sit down. Yes, sit down. Listen,
Sir?
get a juice for me, dude.
Okay, sir.
Listen, dude. My daughter should have told you only if you're in a job, we'll get her married to you. Please don't mistake us for this.
Not at all, sir.
We have been maintaining this property for generations, and she's my only daughter. How can I get married to a jobless man? I like you a lot, my dude.
Thanks, uncle. Uncle,
Huh?
when I saw you for the first time, I misunderstood you. But you're totally different, uncle.
Nowadays, these children are looking at the face and only deciding. What do you say?
Why he's laughing like a ghost?
Look at her, dude. If I ask Potter, she will not give me even water. But look, my daughter is bringing juice for you. She has so much of love for you. Love. Yes.
Think before you talk, okay?
Nothing to worry. Everything is going smoothly. You don't worry.
Hey, he'll tell to my dad, Satya.
Your father? Then who is he? What is he doing here?
Welcome, my boss. Your dude has come.
How come you are here?
So that...
What do you mean? You knew him before itself. That's really good. Dude, your problem is solved. Yes.
Dad, I'm in love with Satya. He's the person.
What? You rascal! You loved my daughter? And you said you'll give me commission. How dare you do this?
Sir, I didn't know that.
Get out. Get out.
Sir, my intention was not cheating you, sir.
Daddy, what are you talking about?
You don't know about him. He's a fraud. Hey, throw him out immediately.
Owner, why are you scolding the dude?
Son-in-law. Who is my son-in-law? Kick him out.
Then okay.
Take him away.
Hey, whose dude are you, man?
Sir, please, sir.
come,
Sir,
man.
please, sir.
Hey,
Sir, I need
boss
to...
has
Sir,
called, man.
I need to talk,
Get
sir.
out from here.
Sir, please
Come.
understand,
Come,
sir.
man.
Sir, my situation was
Don't
so
say
different, sir.
anything. I know
Sir,
everything.
sir,
Come,
actually,
man.
I didn't know
What the
this,
hell
sir.
you know about
Sir,
him? What do you know about him? He's an absolute cheat.
God, how could you do this, Satya?
Actually, I was...
For that reason only, I'm talking here with you. Otherwise, I never come to meet you.
Sorry, Meghla.
Your sorry is not a solution, Satya. My daddy is arranging my marriage with another person. For your mistake, I'm standing ashamed in my house. Hereafter, we'll never meet. If you're in love with me seriously, get one job and take me with you. Another time, if you'll cheat, I don't know what to say to you, Satya. But still, sincerely, I'm loving you, Satya.
After I sincerely tried for a job, but my bad time, I didn't get any job anywhere. After trying a lot of places, finally I got a job in a big company at Bangalore. My problems were solved. I was on my way to convince Meghla's father, but I got caught. But I'm really worried. She's waiting for me.
Sir, shall I ask you something? You need to reach there by 6. Madam should be waiting there for you. But you're not telling what is the problem.
It's our marriage today.
Sir, what are you saying? This matter you should have been told before. Why you didn't tell it? I thought there is some problem in your love. Sir, at least tell me now. We will make him escape from here.
Sir, this job is gone. I can find another one. But you should not definitely miss her. You just escape.
Sir, if you give 300 rupees to me, I will also escape.
You wait, sir. Oh, I'll give it to you, man.
Okay, sir.
You should definitely join your girlfriend, sir. Please leave soon, sir.
Brother, you just escape from here.
Bro, yourself.
సార్ ప్రేమ అని పేరు వచ్చే సినిమానే మేము హిట్ చేద్దాం సార్. ఇది అసలు ప్రేమ, ఖచ్చితంగా సపోర్ట్ చేద్దాం సార్.
You didn't tell anything. Tell me, sir. Everyone has agreed. You are the only one keeping silent. You saw the film Nadodigal? In that, your boss Shashikumar sacrificed his life, his friend's life, for the sake of love. Don't you remember that?
Boss, you opened my third eye, boss. Even if I lose my life, I will see to it that this true love will win, boss.
We will divert the police. You just escape.
Okay, boss.
Hey, why are you all screaming, man? It's already time for the call. Come on.
Give some other address.
Wait, madam.
Come. You should have come a little earlier. Why so late? Come.
Come on, driver. Take the vehicle.
I'll come, uncle.
Okay. I am not bothered about whom you trust. I have fixed this marriage and it will simply happen. I cannot change it for anybody. I cannot lose my respect. For me, your love is not important. My status is important. That is my decision. I'll go to the marriage hall. Get yourself ready and come. Huh?
Switched off.
Hey, come fast. Tell your name.
I am Tiger Shroff.
Tell me your address.
Parktown 28.
Go.
What's your name?
R. Bhaskar, 8/7, Velan Nagar, Virugambakam. Height is around 5.5. Wheat color, thin and skinny. Go.
Tell me your name.
Satish, madam.
What is your height? Why are you staring? Tell your height.
4 feet. Come, man.
Go.
Andi
Don't
Patti,
stand like
Madurai.
that.
Go.
What is your name?
Rajshekar.
Rajshekar. Tell your address.
Number 15, Rajendra Street, Gandhinagar, Pondicherry.
5.5 feet. White color. Go.
Andipatti, Madura.
Go. What is your name?
I'm Vimal.
Go.
Vimal. Wheat color.
Thank you, sir.
Why, man?
Thank you so
What
much,
happened?
sir. Thank you so much. Even my mother used to tell me that I am dark in my color when I was born, sir. For the first time ever in my life, sir. Someone has told me that I've got some color, sir. Thank you so much. I will not forget you, sir. Sir, please, sir. Sir,
Go,
sir.
go.
Please, sir. Sir, please,
Go,
sir. Give me,
man.
sir. Even if I appreciate the
I'll
hitting me.
Napoleon.
Tell your address.
Hey, the
Number
vehicle has come.
129,
Not
Shastri
sir. We
Nagar.
got the details up there.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Pushpa.
Okay, sir.
Did you check everything is right or not, huh?
Will it work out, sir?
What, sir? Are they going to take us in a van, not in a train, sir? Hey, if you guys are taking a train, if you try to escape, then what will we do? That's why we are taking a van. Super, sir. Boss, they are planning us to take in a van, boss.
We'll get into a problem. How can we escape now?
No idea, boss.
What, boss? You're a mechanic. Plan something, boss.
Boss, how can a mechanic make a plan, boss?
Shit. At last they gave a twist like this. Do something, bro. Ha.
Hey, you're a thief, right? Give us an idea now.
Do something.
I'm very confused. I'm not getting an idea, sir.
Listen, whatever we want to do, we'll have to do before going to the court.
Yes.
There'll be a lot of police in the court. We'll have to do whatever we do on the way only. Or else we can do nothing.
Boss, we have to find some other way. Please, boss.
Just give me a minute, sir.
Bro, how was the movie?
But I have not watched the movie. Railway police has caught me.
What are you telling, bro?
Just listen to me, okay?
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, okay. Okay.
Is it okay, boss?
Okay, boss. Somehow we'll help you to escape from here, boss.
Okay, boss. Thanks, boss.
What are you talking there?
We are all moving away, no? That's why we are getting autographs.
Are you joking? Huh? Form a line. Come on, stand in a line. Hey, let everyone get in the vehicle.
Okay,
Go,
sir.
go inside. Go. Let them get in. Come on. Go.
Come in,
Fast. Make it fast. Go.
Okay, sir.
Get in. Shut the doors. Come on. Quick. Go.
Boss, will your person reach there correctly?
I'm sure he'll reach in time. Give me a second. Hello,
Yeah, tell me, bro.
where are you now?
I am on the way, bro.
We have started to the court now. You try to come as soon as possible, okay?
Sure.
Boss, my staff is on the way. He'll not have any problem. We should just plan how to escape from this van. That is the only thing, boss. Then your problem is solved. What do you say?
Everyone think.
Guys, give some idea soon.
Hey, you're a thief, isn't it? Try to open the lock.
Sir, if the lock is inside, I can open it. But if it is outside, how can I open it? What should I do now?
Boss, shall we do like this? We will fight with each other. Then the police will open the door. We can easily escape.
Hey, painter, that's not a good idea. We all will get caught.
Nothing, just one idea only.
What shall we do? Brother, director, tell me a scene in that everyone get escape.
Yes! There is a scene in a film. Villains kidnaps hero in a vehicle like this only. Hero will find a gap and escape through it. We all can escape if we find a gap in this vehicle. What do you say?
Even now, you don't have any idea yourself?
Is it important? Find the gap, man.
Come on.
Okay. Come and search.
You just get inside there.
Come.
Somewhat here only.
That side.
You see there.
Hey, it's here. Yeah, should be here. Search here.
Yeah, found it. Yes.
Guys, just keep quiet. My staff is calling me. Hey, where are you now?
Brother, which vehicle I should puncture?
Hey, stupid, we are all traveling in one van.
See outside from window.
Be on the line, let me see. Boss, they are taking us as though we are all terrorists, boss.
Sir, why are they taking us as though we are ministers?
Hey, cut the call, I'll call you back.
Okay, bro.
What is wrong with these people?
Why are they doing like this?
Even I don't know, boss.
Now there is no problem. Inspector Williams is going in the pilot jeep now. And the jeep following us is all known to us very well. And if Williams is disturbed, we all can escape easily.
Hey, buddy,
Tell me, bro.
just puncture the jeep which is going in front of us.
Okay, bro.
Hey, bring that vehicle. Hey, come on, chase him now.
Come, let's get the vehicle ready.
Hey, mechanic, how to open this?
I don't know, boss.
What to do?
Director,
Superman.
be at least useful for this.
I will buy you a full bottle, man.
Hey, start the vehicle.
Hey, who's making the noise?
Hey, policeman, go and see.
Sir, we are not making any noise, sir.
Hey, you don't command me to take a vehicle. Inspector should come, we should put the puncture, hold the stepney, then only we can start. Don't keep making noise.
Stupid fellow.
Understood? Stupid nonsense.
Okay, come on, fast.
Hey, move the vehicle fast.
Hey, I'm repeatedly warning. Why are you shouting, man?
Talk something and manage the situation.
Sir, believe we are not making any noise, sir.
If you shout one more time, I will severely take care of you. Hello? He's showing too much of his obedience nowadays. He has made us stand in the road. There is no water to drink. Let's have some tea. Hey, Munuswami, take care of them.
Who's this? Hey, what is this man? He's a devil.
Hey, I am shouting from a long time. Why you didn't move the vehicle?
Hey man, this is police vehicle.
Is it police vehicle?
Yes.
Oh my god, then you and all?
We are all criminals.
Prisoners?
Prisoners.
Oh my god.
Hey,
What,
you
man?
know you are going, no. Take one of us with you.
Why? I should also caught in police?
Hey, You are already in the police vehicle, man. If I shout means police will arrest you. You want me to shout or you take one of us? Think.
Only one person, right?
Yes. One.
For taking him down, it will cost some money. Is it okay for
You're
you?
taking him in a Benz car or what? Take him along with you, man.
Hey, just come and see. Hey, come fast. Come.
Go. Okay. Come on.
All the best, buddy. Please take care of yourself. Good luck.
All the best. All the
Happy
best.
married life.
We can all go, right?
No. It won't be a mistake if you go alone. If we all come means there will be a big problem. So you
Yeah,
go
yeah,
first. It's important. Give me your mobile number.
Yes.
7299
Okay, 7299
305077.
305077. Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Take care.
Come on,
Hey,
quick.
come.
Go fast.
Carry on.
Okay. See you soon.
Bye.
Come on, move fast.
Hey, go and check how many people are there inside the vehicle. Go, come on.
Okay, sir. Controlling the vehicle, stupid man. Go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hey, where is the missing man? Where is the guy from Pondicherry?
I don't know, sir.
Huh? You made him run? You're all going to die today.
Go.
Sir, the guy from Pondicherry escaped, sir.
Did he escape? Hey, we'll go to the station, not to the courtroom. Start the vehicle. Hey, go to the station.
Hey, go in, man. Hey, what are you thinking? Hey,
Sir.
escape from here? We'll not let
Sir,
you escape, man.
sir.
We'll take very good care of you. Give you good lunch. Go in, man.
Hey, it was a waste plan. See what happened to us. I didn't expect like this. Now what we should do?
We all decided unanimously, right? Keep quiet. Inspector.
Hey, won't you sit on the floor? Huh? Sit down on the floor.
Yes, sir.
Hey, where is he now? I'm asking you only. Tell me now. Are you hiding here?
Sir, don't hit me, sir. Sir.
Hey, tell me the truth. Who called you?
Sir, don't
Who
hit
was
me,
planned
sir.
for it? How
Sir,
dare
sir.
you can puncture my vehicle start?
Sir.
Tell me now.
Sir,
If you're not answering me, I'll kill you.
Sir, if I die also, I will not reveal my friend's name. That is our friendship. If you kill me also, I will not reveal my brother's name.
Hey, he's talking about some fan club and policies. Hey, tell me, how come he escaped? Tell me now.
Hey, tell it out. This is the very first inquiry, man.
Idiot, are you joking? Hey, if you're not telling me, I will kill you all. Tell me now immediately, else no one will go home now. Tell me the truth. If I identify, hey, come on, tell me. Tell me what happened.
Don't tell, man.
Say or not.
He put a hole in the van and escaped through drainage, sir.
Oh my God.
Are you all talented people to make a guy escape from the van like that? Call him now. Call him now. Call him now.
I don't have his mobile number, sir.
Then who has got it?
But Bhaskar sir has his
Who is
number.
that Bhaskar?
It's not me, sir. There.
You too, Brutus.
Oh, so you are Bhaskar, sir, right?
Yes, sir.
Call him now.
Sir, I don't have balance in phone, sir.
So you don't have the balance?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Hey, get the number and call from your phone.
No need, sir. I will call him.
Hey, you said you don't have balance?
Actually, Domoko to Domoko free.
Are you guys kidding? Call him now.
Sorry, it is Docomo.
Hello?
Sir, police came to know that you are escaped. They again took all of us to the station.
Oh my god, boss.
You don't want to come here. We will manage everything. Sir, love is very important. We will deal with everything. You just go. We will talk later on. Just you go. Nothing to worry. Sir.
What? I told to get him here. You told not to come here. How dare you? Hey, take that phone.
They think themselves to be very generous people.
Sir, one girl came in search of that boy.
Who is that girl? Hey, come on.
Hey, come on, let's see. Who is that?
Sir, my name is Meghla, coming from Pondicherry. I want to see Satya.
Tell me, what do you want? Who are you?
Actually,
Without proper reason, you can't talk to anyone.
sir,
Huh?
I'll tell you, sir. Me and Satya are loving each other, sir.
Sir, I am Bhaskar
Tell me,
speaking.
Bhaskar.
Sister has come to the station in search of you. She is speaking with Williams. You don't go to Pondicherry right now. I will watch here and call you later.
Okay, thank you, boss.
Okay. I know you are a coward, but I didn't expect this thing from you. Sorry, boss.
Leave it, director. He should have got afraid. Let's gonna see what's gonna happen further. Call him now.
Why, sir? Is he not in station?
He was here. Not now. Call him right away. Who's that?
He is calling, sir.
Attend the call. If he's not coming here, you can't get out from here.
Hey, fool! Why did he come here?
I don't have any other way, Satya.
Hey, you have to be here in next 10 minutes. If you're not going to come, then something will happen. Hey, until he comes here, let her sit here, okay?
Okay, sir. Sit down there. Madam.
What?
Hey, not you.
Oh.
Meghala, madam. I'm calling you. We heard your love story. Superb it was.
Don't worry, madam. These are all dummy police. They will not do anything.
They are fit for this only.
We had helped sir to escape from here. Why did you take a hasty decision coming here, madam?
Actually, I don't have any other way.
Madam, you don't worry about anything. We will take care of everything.
We know about our sir. See, he came here.
He may let you free if you acted that you are feared of him. At least do now. He will let you free. Go.
Now I come here, right? Just keep quiet, okay?
Okay, go, sir. Go.
Hey, are you stupid? Why did he come here? I told you that I'm coming.
I know, Satya, but you didn't come.
So what?
At least you picked my call. Your number was switched off.
I already told you I'm in station. Don't you understand?
You understand me. Someone is ready for marry me. I has not option. Satya, that's why I came here.
So, you don't believe me that I'm coming to save you, right?
I trust you more than me, Satya. Please understand my situation.
Do you know why these guys helped me to escape from here? To start a life with you. But you made them caught and cheated me. Instead of this, you could have married the person your father told.
Then our love is not important for you, right?
I am bothered about my self-respect only.
Ch. It's my fault to trust you. Stupid.
Now you have understood. Go and marry the person who your father is selected.
What, boss? It's a tragedy love story. Will they break up, boss?
Hey, just keep quiet, man. Don't keep blabbering something.
You're just like your stupid father.
Hey, don't talk about my dad. Otherwise,
What will you do? What will you do?
Keep quiet, sir.
No.
If you escape from here, will us leave you just like that? Huh? Do you think RPF is a silly guys?
Now what is the problem, sir? I have to pay 300 rupees fine, alright? You take me to the court. I will pay it.
Hey, we are just leaving you by making you to pay a fine of 300 rupees, right? That's the reason you're thinking like that. The normal law and order police whom you're afraid of, they have to get the permission to shoot you. But in the RPF, the normal constable who wears the blue stick can fire on anyone. Do you know that? Hey, don't submit anyone in the court today,
Hey,
okay?
why he is doing like this?
Write a report that everyone escaped from here. We'll submit them tomorrow in the court, okay? We will imprison them at least for a month. If you talk too much, I'll shoot you that you came to bomb a train here, okay? Hey, put him inside.
Hey, come on.
Happy now?
Come, man.
You expected this, right? Yeah, you're happy
I'm
now.
telling you,
It's
come.
all because of you. It's
Come.
my fault that I loved you. From this minute,
Hey,
we don't
come,
have any
man.
relationship at all. Don't even
Come,
meet me
man.
again. Fall on the front of a train and die. I will not feel even if you die in this moment.
Get him inside.
Go on.
just relax, okay? At least you came to know about him. Go and get married to the guy whom your father has seen, okay? Go!
Sir, that girl is going to jump before the train and commit suicide, sir. Please help us, sir.
Sir, please open the door, sir. Sir, please, sir, please help us,
Hey,
sir.
go and
Sir,
catch that girl.
Sir, please.
Hey, madam, just stop.
Madam, please open the door, madam.
Why you are
Please,
shouting
madam,
like
open the door,
this?
madam.
Hey, you only fighting with her. Because of you only she is going to suicide.
Madam, please, madam, it's my mistake, madam, please, madam, please understand, madam, please, madam, please, madam, stop her, madam, please, madam, please, madam, ma'am, I'm begging you, madam, please, madam, please,
Okay,
madam.
you alone come out.
Okay, thanks, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Come on, let's go. Hey, inside. Come on, run.
Hey, where you people are going? Hey, don't run. Hey.
Hey, girl, stop there! Hey, stop there!
Wait.
Megla, stop! Megla, don't get down! Megla, listen to me! Megla, please! Megla! Please, Megla! Please listen to me! Megla, I'm sorry. It's my fault. Just give me a hand. Train is coming near. Megla, come on, Megla. Megla, give me a
I
hand.
want to die. Go from here.
Give me a hand, Megla. Megla, please understand. Megla, I love you sincerely. Please understand. Please, Megla, don't do this. Megla,
Satya, where are you?
Hey, who told you to come here?
I don't have another way, Satya.
Okay, listen to me. I'll come there and create a big fight with you. You have to react for that, okay? Bhaskar, when is the next train?
Another 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes. Satish, when we hear the train sound, I'll give a message to Megla. Then she'll start to run. You have to shout that she's going to suicide. We are going to confuse police. Then we are going to escape from here.
Yes!
Come. Fast. Get in. Go fast.
Super plan, Satya. Super acting.
By the way, just to enact the scene, why did you run on the track?
I am also a good actor, okay?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. That people was helped us a lot. Why you didn't plan for them, Satya?
By this time, they would have escaped from there.
Hey, run. Escape.
Sir, the pair has run this way, sir. And the accused are all running this way, sir. And they have made us stand like a dead body, sir. Then how will people respect us, sir?
Today may Williams get defeated, but definitely he will win one day for sure.